بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. This lesson is the first lesson for non-Arabs to teach them how to read or recite Quran. We'll start from the first surah, which is Al-Fatiha. We'll start with the first verse, which is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Before reading Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, when we start our reading or reciting, we start with isti'adha. It means to ask Allah save us or keep us away from Satan. So I will say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. If you look at this, the first word, which is Bismi. Under the letter B, there is one line. This is called kasra. It is like the letter Ya, but it's smaller. So when I read it, I have to say Bismillahir Rahmani Ar-Rahimi. But if we stop, we don't say Ar-Rahimi, we have to say Ar-Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Why we stop on Ar-Rahim, not Ar-Rahimi? Because Arabic language starts with movable letters and stops on silent letters. Silent here doesn't mean like English. Silent is here without movement. Like we have 4 movements in Arabic: Kasra, Fatha, Dhamma, and Sukun. So when we stop reciting, we have to stop on Sukun. That's why we say Ar-Rahim. Now we go to the first word, which is Bismi. The origin of this word is Bism. It means the last letter Mim is with Sukun, with silence. Bism. But here, if you look at it, you can find it with kasra, not with sukun. Why? The reason is when 2 silent letters meet in the same time, the first letter will have kasra, the first letter. So here, Allah name, Jalla Jalaluh, starts with the silent letter Lam. This one, the alif with like meme, small meme, or sad, small sad over it. This one is Hamz al-Wasl. It means the Hamza for connection. What does it mean for connection? For connection, it means if we start with a silent letter, we have to put this Hamza before it. But if we continue on reciting like Bismillahi, we drop this Hamza. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is the first lesson. If you like it, just push me up, and then we'll do and have another lesson. Thank you so much.